I can't stop this feeling deep inside of me. Girl, you just don't realize what you do to me.
Good morning, Niskuna High School, live from our TV studio. Would you please stand for the pledge? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And some very brief announcements here. In fact, only one announcement. The Niski Book Club will host a book fair this Saturday, March 24th from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. at the Colony Center, Barnes & Noble. If you're looking for some spring reading or spring holiday gifts, please join us on Saturday in support of the Niski Book Club and our literacy projects. Thank you. And now let's turn it over to our student anchors.
Thanks, Principal Rickert. Good morning, Niskuna. Today is Friday, March 23rd. I'm Donald.
And I'm John. Here's what's making news. Congratulations are in order for Tawfiq Khan, who had his art selected to represent Black History Month by the College of St. Rose in Albany. Tawfiq was interviewed by students at the college, too. Here you can see his winning art depicting Rosa Parks and a still pic of Tawfiq captured from the video. Again, congratulations, Tawfiq.
Attention sophomores. There is a need for 2 sophomore volunteers to become official student representatives to the Niskuna Board of Education next year. If you are currently a sophomore and wish to be considered, you must fill out an application. To find out what is involved, please see the current student representatives in the Student Congress homeroom, which is in the library classroom.
We have 4 upcoming entertainment events here at the high school. First, Drama Club is putting together a comedy for its spring play this year in the Little Theater. Look for your classmates Tim Burgess and Lily Bushway in lead roles in a 3-act comedy called The Curious Savage. Dates of the performances of The Curious Savage are April 26th, 27th, and 28th.
Next in our entertainment lineup is Java Jive on May 18th. Java Jive is a coffee house-style evening of poetry and acoustic music in the New Calf. There will be a solid list of student performers that night. That's May 18th for Java Jive.
We also have some new entertainment coming to our high school. It's a dance marathon. Okay. The Niski Dance Marathon is to raise money for one of 4 charities: Animal Protective Foundation, Ronald McDonald House, Make-A-Wish, or Disabled American Veterans. The big 12-hour event is sponsored by SAPE and will be from 10 a.m. until 10 p.m. on Saturday, April 21st. The dance marathon is open to all students who gather a team of contestants, collecting for one of the 4 charities of your choice. SAPE tells us the dance marathon will have food provided, a prize for best team costume, and dance instructors.
Did you hear that, Panos? Dance instructors.
Yeah, I know, sorry.
Please pick up a dance marathon team form in A225. So again, that's a Niski Dance Marathon all day on Saturday, April 21st.
And finally, in our high school entertainment lineup, there is a live expression concert tonight in the New Calf. It is a chance to see your friends performing live music. Live expression costs $3 at the door, all are welcome, and it's always a jamming good time. The money raised goes to charity. Tonight's student musicians include Gray and the Hughes, The Grid, and Strawberry Hotel. So live expression is 7 p.m. tonight in the New Calf.
Attention juniors, 2 things. First, if you haven't already, go to counseling and pick up your red folder. And second, if you are thinking about attending junior prom, please go to the junior prom info night on Thursday, April 12th at 7 p.m. in the Little Theater. Juniors and their parents are strongly urged to attend. All your prom questions will be answered, like,
What's a walkthrough?
where is the prom held?
Where's an after prom?
How much does it cost?
And can I go with my mom?
Okay. Also, if you attend Junior Prom Info Night, there will be a raffle of 2 free prom tickets and free Feldhausen flowers. So if you're planning on going to prom, get yourself to Junior Prom Info Night on April 12th.
And finally, we here at Broadcasting Club would want to let all students know, and staff, that anyone is welcome to anchor Niski News on any Friday. Just come down to the TV studio and let Mr. O'Connor know you're interested. It's a great chance to test your communication skills. So if you think you'd like to be a journalist someday and can read words on a teleprompter, then why not give this anchor desk a try? Thanks.
Have a great weekend.
Go Warriors.
In your arms so tight, you let me know everything's alright.